Leah, she's going to show us the little cosmetic pretend makeup set. And what are you going to show us first, Leah? Okay, she's going to use a compact. Now, this makeup is all pretend. It's just texture and color. And nothing actually shows up when she puts it on. That's a real little compact. I'm just going to put on some lip gloss. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just like Mommy, right? Okay, what else are you going to use?
Now the sparkles.
The sparkles. She likes the sparkles. One thing about the sparkles, they are a little rough. We did break one little application brush.
Some of these come out.
Yeah, sometimes it's the sparkle. It's just glitter. That's
But
okay.
these ones didn't come out. These ones did.
Yeah, that's okay. It's just all pretend. You can put it on. We're going to put your cheeks, your eyes. Oh, on your eyebrow. That's pretty. That's pretty. So all this makeup and the brushes come together, and they come in this handy pouch. So when she's done, she can put that all back in, and she likes to keep this whole kit in her caboodle. And when she wants to put on makeup like Mommy, she just pulls it out and puts it on, right? And again, it's all pretend, so there's no mess, and you don't have to worry about your daughter getting anything all over her face or her clothes or her furniture or anything like that.